Hello, today I'm in Audi A3. In this video I'll show you how to activate and use voice assistant. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To activate voice assistant, simply press this button and then follow the commands shown on the screen display. So let's start. USB.
The USB partition couldn't be found.
Radio.
Radio.
FM.
FM.
RMF Max. And that's basically how to use voice assistant. Of course, there are plenty of commands. Simply check the screen display for more. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.